For today's class, we will do partnership ledger. Partnership ledger. Just to recap. First, we learn about appropriation account, profit and loss appropriation account. What is the profit and loss appropriation account? How you divide the profit, how you going to divide the profit. So start with the profit for the year plus IOD minus IOC minus partner salary. You'll get a residual profit. This residual profit will become share profit. This residual profit will be share profit, or if you got residual loss, it will become share loss. Okay. So after we prepare the after we prepare the appropriation account, the second account that we supposed to do is current account. Your current account will be like this. Current account balance BD normally will be credit side. Current account and capital account is similar. Current account and capital account is same thing. Then why we open current account separately, capital account separately, later I explain. But current account and capital account is the same thing. The nature of the current account is exactly same as a capital. The nature of the current account exactly same as a capital account. So balance BD will be credit side, and sometimes the balance BD can go debit. Okay, sometime. So balance BD debit or credit depends on the question. The question will tell you. You just refer the question. The question will tell you debit or credit. After that, anything that increase the capital or the current will be in a credit side. Anything will decrease will be in a debit side. Increase, credit, decrease, debit. And most of the item to do the current account, we take from the appropriation account, and there are two things that we take outside the appropriation account. So first one, I'll start with drawing will be in a debit side. Interest on drawing will be in a debit side also. Drawing and interest on drawing will be in a debit side. And interest on capital will be credit side. Capital don't go here. Only interest on capital will be here in a credit side. After that, the partner's salary will be in a credit side. After that, what else we have? Share profit will be in a credit side also. After the share profit, extra thing, this one not from the appropriation account. This one is not from appropriation account. But if the question got interest on partner's loan, that one will be in a credit side also. Okay. But the share profit here, right? Sometimes we get a share loss. If we get a share loss, then share loss will be here. Either one, share profit or share loss, either one only will have. So these are the maximum item that can have in a current account. So if you can remember this, you get the information, you put, you balance up, you get the marks. Just remember, these are the maximum item that can be recorded in the current account. I'm sorry. Interest on partner's loan. Okay, what is interest on partner's loan? The partners, you remember that sometimes the partner will give you the loan. If the partner give you the loan, so we need to pay them interest, right? That particular interest we write here. But remember this, interest on partner's loan never goes into the appropriation account. So this interest on the partner's loan go where? Interest on partner's loan will go to the normal income statement. The sales minus cost of sales, the one, okay, finance cost there. I think the finance cost, this one is the finance cost. We'll go to the finance cost, not here. Understand now? Okay, if you can remember this, then we read the question, get the information, balance up. Simple. Okay, so now we read the worksheet. Partners ledger account, there are two ledger account for each partner. One is the capital account, another one is a current account. Okay, then we, for the same guy, for the same partner, we open two accounts. Why we open two accounts later I tell you. But what are the information that we recorded in the first, which is the capital account? The permanent increase and permanent decrease. Okay, the permanent increase and permanent decrease will be recorded in the capital account. Okay, what is the permanent increase? Permanent increase means the capital invested. Okay, the capital that the guy invests, we record in the capital account because that's a permanent increase. And what is a permanent decrease? Permanent decrease means withdraw capital or take out the capital. Remember this, take out capital, withdraw capital, it's not drawings. Drawing is different, this one is different. Okay, drawing is different. This withdrawal capital, drawing is you need some money, you don't have money, so you take the money from the business for your personal use. That's your drawing. You don't enough money you for your personal life. For your personal life, you don't enough money, so you want to use some money, so you take the money from the business. So that's a drawings. But what is a withdrawal capital or take out the capital? You have no hope on this business. Then you feel like this company not going to do something. So what do? You take back your capital. You take back your capital. That's a withdrawal of the capital. That withdrawal capital we record in a capital account. But the drawings we record in a current account. Drawings will be recorded in a current account. Drawing is different. Withdrawal of capital is different. You can see the difference between these two. Don't get confused. Okay. Drawings for personal use is a normal drawing. It will go to the current account. But only the withdrawal of the capital. Okay, what is the withdrawal of the capital? You want to reduce a capital. Okay, there's a sometime the business, the partner have no hope on the business. Some partners, they will take back all their capital and then they go out from the company. But some partners, they want to stay. So what they do, but they scared. They want to stay in this partnership, but they scared that the company not going to make any profit. So what they do, they will take out half of the capital. They take out half of the capital and they go invest in another company. So this type of withdrawal is capital account. We will record in the capital account. The question will clearly tell you. The question will clearly tell you it is a drawings or it's a withdrawal of the capital. You need to read the question carefully to differentiate these two. Understand? Huh? So only these two things will be recorded in the capital account. One is the permanent increase and permanent decrease will be recorded in the capital account. Other than this, we record in a current account. Other than this, anything related to the partners. Other than this, any transaction that related to partners will be recorded in the current account. And in a current account, in the credit side, okay, which is the current account increase. If the current account increase, it will be in a credit side. What are the item will increase the current account? What are the item will increase the current account? Interest on capital, interest on a partner's loan, partner's salary, profit share. These four things will increase the current account. So we will record in the credit side. And these three things will reduce the current account. Current account will be reduced because of these three things. And we will record in the debit side. Drawings, interest on drawing, and share loss. Drawing, interest on drawing, and share loss will be in a debit side of the current account. And normally about the drawing, this drawing account will be maintained separately for each partner. We will do a drawing account. End of the year, we will close the drawing account and transfer to current account. Okay, end of the year, we will transfer the total drawing, because in a current account, you cannot write like a drawing 1, drawing 2, drawing 3. You cannot write like a lot of, because in 1 year, maybe the owner will take 5 times, maybe the owner take 10 times. So you cannot write like few drawings inside the current account. So what we do, we will maintain the drawing account separately. How many times the guy want to take, and then we total up the drawing end of the year. The drawing account will be closed and transferred to the current account as one number for each partner. That's why we maintain the different current accounts separately. Okay. Any question this? Anything you need more explanation, please ask me. I will explain now. Any explanation, please ask me. Anything that you don't understand, You need more explanation, please ask me. Okay, if no means I will just move on. We do one example. Sorry, there's a typo there. Supposed to be Sumit and Padma. Sumit and Padma in a partnership, their financial year ends on 31st May. They provide the following information. The capital, opening capital, 1st June is always opening capital, opening balance of the current account, and then drawing, interest and capital, partner salary, profit share. Okay, do you think this particular information, right, come from where? The interest on drawing, interest and capital, partner salary, profit and share, very good. Come from where? Others? Come from the appropriation account. Can you see or not? Appropriation account. Okay. Profit and loss. No. Profit and loss is different thing. This is the appropriate profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss means like gross profit plus other income minus other expenses, right? This one we call profit and loss. This is the profit and loss appropriation account. So yes, this is from appropriation account. What the question asked me to do? The question asked me to do capital account and current account for the Sumit. Oh, they're asking only for Sumit. They're asking only for Sumit. So you don't care about Padma first. You don't care about Padma. We're asking only for Sumit. Prepare the capital account and current account for Sumit. So I'm only going to look at the Sumit's detail and prepare the Sumit's capital first. Okay, how much the capital? The capital is 40,000. The capital is 40,000. The date is 1st June. So I go here. Oh, wait down. Okay, this is the Sumit and Padma's business. I'm preparing Sumit's capital account. Okay, this is a Sumit and Padma's business. I'm preparing Sumit's capital account. Sumit's capital is 40,000. So capital will be in a credit side, right? So I go credit side. I write 40,000. Date just now I see ready 2018 June 1. This is my balance BD. Only the capital will go to the capital. Other than capital that related to Sumit, other than capital that related to Sumit will be in a Sumit's current account. Okay, first don't forget to put a balance BD of the current account. I checked the question just now. There's a balance BD for the current account. Can I check how much the balance BD for current account? 130, and it's a credit side. The question will tell you. The question will tell you it's debit or credit. If the question silent, it's always go credit side. If the question silent, it's always go to the credit side for current account. But most of the time I check the question will tell you debit or credit. So here we follow. They say credit means I put in a credit, 130, balance BD, 2018, June 1. And for your information, balance BD will be first day. Balance BD will be first day. Other than balance BD will be last day. Other than balance BD will be last day. So what is my last day? You can check here. Okay, for the year ended 31st May 2019. That's my last day of this company. So I faster will write last day 2019, May 31st, 2019, May 31st. Okay, I forget. Can anybody help me? In a Sumit's current account, right? Current account, in the debit side, don't talk about share loss. Don't talk about share loss because share loss later I check share loss or profit. What another two things that will be recorded in the current account debit side? Just tell me in a short form. Just tell me in a short form. Okay, one, correct. Another one, got two things. Very good. D and IOD. D and IOD. So can you check, do you have a D and IOD? D 11,000, IOD 330 for Sumit. We're just focusing on the Sumit. So I write here. Drawings 11,000. Interest on drawing 330. Interest on drawing 330. We are done now. That's it. That's it for the debit side. Only drawing and interest on drawing. Later, if we got share loss, then I put here. Then after that, in a credit side, I will have interest on capital 2,000. Interest on capital 2,000. And after that, partner salary. Oh, but wait. Sumit don't have partner salary. Sumit don't have partner salary, so no need to write lah. Okay, you no need to write. Then share profit. Profit share is 8,500. Will be in the credit side also. Share profit or profit share. Share profit or profit share. Anything also can. Okay, I think that's it. I already transfer all the information that related to Sumit's current account into the Sumit's current account. Then we balance up. You feel which side is bigger? I feel debit is bigger. So total of the debit 11,330, 11,330, 11,330 minus 130, 2,8500. I get 700. That's my balance CD. That's my balance CD. This balance CD will become balance BD on 2019 June 1. Any problem on the current account? Simple, right? Okay, this is the normal single current account and capital account. But sometimes the question will ask you to do the capital and current account in a columnar format. What is a columnar format? Two account into one, two persons account into one account. You see our capital account for Sumit, capital account for Padma. There's a two persons account. We put inside in one table or one ledger, one account. The reason to save our time, save our paper, save our ink, all this lah. We just do the two account because these two items are the items in the Sumit's current capital account and Padma's capital account, current account, capital account. The information will be roughly same only. Okay, most of the information will be roughly same only. So accountants don't like to waste, so they don't want to waste the space, so they do the two account into one. But even though they do both account into one, but they still will keep it separately. We will imagine separately, but whenever you do, we do one by one. Example, I do for capital account for Sumit and Padma. Okay, now we're going to take both Sumit and also Padma, both partners. First one, capital 40,000, 20,000, 20,000, 40,000. Remember this, huh? So go to the capital in a credit side. Sumit is 40,000, Padma is 20,000. Don't get confused and you put a wrong mess up, huh? Okay, put the right guy. Sumit is 40,000, Padma is 20,000. Then, what is the date? 2018, June 1, balance BD. Balance BD. You understand this? Okay, then continue. Current account. Current account also same. First, we'll do the balance BD. First, we put in the balance BD. So I check here the current account balance BD for Sumit is under 30. Padma is 910. Okay, can you see numbers? The numbers? You see already? Please see this number and this number. You see already? Okay, help me. So current account, I go to the Sumit. Sumit is under 30. Balance BD 2018 June 1 and Padma is 910. So I write 910 for Padma. Correct or not? Correct or wrong? Wrong, huh? Why wrong? Why wrong? Because the question say This one credit, okay, correct. This one in a debit side. DR is actually debit. Understand? Be clear. Okay, it's look like same, but it's not same. Okay, so it will be in a debit side. It will, but Padma's balance BD will be debit side. 910 balance BD 2018 June 1. Understand? Be clear on this. See the question carefully. Okay, so I told you balance BD will be the first day, other than balance BD will be last day. So 2019, May 30th, 31st. May 31st, 2019, May 31st. Make sure you write the balance. After you write the balance BD, you write the last day of the year. You can check the question, what is the last day. After that, as usual, same thing. I can remember current account in a debit side. Current account in a debit side, I have a drawings. Drawings is 11,000, 8,000. 11,000, 8,000. After that, we have interest on drawing. If not enough one line, you can write in 2 lines. If not enough one line, you can write in 2 lines. Interest on drawing, 330,240. Sumit is 330, Padma 240. Can Next one. Interest and capital 2,000, 1,000. Interest on capital 2,000, 1,000. After that, profit salary 9,500. Only for Padma. Only for Padma salary. Partner salary. Partner salary, Sumi don't have. Only Padma 9,500. You don't need to put a dash or something. Just leave it empty. Just leave it empty. That's it. And last one, we have a profit share. Profit share right here. Profit share or share profit, both are acceptable. 4,250, 8,500. Is it correct? Yeah. Okay, I think I'm done with all the information. Any question here? Please ask me. Okay, no question. Leave one line, and then draw a double line like this. Leave one line, draw a double line like this. Okay, first you focus on the Sumit only. Don't see Padma. Don't see Padma. Just focus on the green color only for Sumit. Sumit, which side is bigger? I feel debit is bigger. So total of the debit 11,330, 11,330. 11,330 minus 130, 2,000, 8,500. I get 700. That's my balance CD. This balance CD will become balance BD 2019 June 1. I'm done with the first account, which is a Sumit. So now I want to do Padma. Padma, just focus on the yellow color. You feel which one is bigger? I feel credit is bigger. 1,000, 9,500, 4,250. I get total of 14,750. 14,750 minus 910, 8,240. I get 5,600. One balance BD there, one balance BD here. Balance CD here means balance BD here. Are you all okay or not? Still okay, very good. Okay, so we move on. Another question. Mark and Ella in a partnership. Their financial year ends on 31st August. The partnership agreement provide for interest on capital, interest on drawing, annual salary, and profit will be shared equally. Profit will be shared equally. Separate capital account, current account is maintained for each partner. Very good. You must have a two account, one capital, one current account for each partner. Very good. You're following in the right accounts. The following is extracted from the profit and loss appropriation account. Extract. Okay, whenever you see the word extract in accounts, okay, whenever you see extract, be careful because the extract means a part only, or it's not a full. It's not a full profit. It's not a full and profit loss appropriation account. Okay, so like one part of the account, one part of the account. It's not a complete one, like it's not a complete one. Okay, so do you remember the profit and loss appropriation accounts format? Start with profit plus IOD minus IOC minus partner salary. You will get a residual profit. Residual profit will become share profit. Residual profit will become share profit. Okay, I checked the profit and loss appropriation account. Yes, I have a profit. Very good. Interest on drawing. Yes, interest on drawing. They total up. Very good. They plus already. Interest and capital. Yes, they plus together. Partner salary here. They take the interest and capital plus the salary here. They stop here. They stop here. They didn't finish it. They haven't calculated the residual profit. So to calculate the share profit, you need the residual profit first. So can we calculate the residual profit? How much is my residual profit? You take the 40840 minus 25,000. I get 15840. That's my residual profit. And this residual profit will become share profit according to the question, share equally. They say share equally. So share profit, Mark and Ella. So what I do, I divide 2 lah. 15840 times half. 15840 times half. I get 7920, 7920, total 15840 balance. So we need this information later. We need this information later. That's why I calculate first. Okay, next. The following additional information was available on the 31st August. The capital account is this, current account is this, drawing is this much. They gave you all this. This particular theory question later we do. Let us do the accounts first. So here we have a current account. Okay, step number 1, they ask us to prepare the current account for Mark and Ella. Step number 1 is you need to put the balance BD here and here. Actually, this question is very nice. They already do the for you. Balance BD will be the first day. Other than balance BD will be last day. So I'm going to write the last day here. My last day here, I check here. 2018, August 31st, 2018, August 31st. You remember the format or not? Current account. In a debit side, we have drawings. So how much the drawings? How much the drawing? You write here, you write here. You do yourself, you do yourself. Then we have interest. Later I give you time. Now you watch me first. Now watch me. Later I give you time. You will do yourself. Interest on drawing. Interest and drawings also, they already calculate for me. I take this right here, right here. That's it in the debit side. Then the credit side, I will have interest on capital. Interest on capital, I take from here, how much, and then profit, salary. The partner salary is only for Ella, right here, how much, and then share profit. Share profit, take from here, how much, that's it. Then you balance up, you'll get a balance CD. Can you do this current account yourself? Can you do this current account yourself? I give you like 5 minutes. If you already printed this worksheet, you can do in a worksheet. If you haven't print, you can do in any empty paper, A4 paper or any empty paper. Okay, I give you 5 minutes. Can you do yourself? Then we discuss the answer. Any problem, you can ask me. I will be here. Any problem, ask me. No problem. Please do this and tell me how much the balance CD. How much the balance CD of Ella and Mark. Faster. All the information just take from here only. Faster. Okay, I got a question here. In an exam, when we list down the item, do we have to follow the order given beginning? No need. As long the debit, credit, you still get the marks. But your marking scheme will be in this order. Whatever order that I'm doing, right? Your marking scheme will be in this order. It is best if your answer and marking scheme answer is same. Okay, this the order that your marking scheme will be. But you mix around. You put the interest on drawing first, then entering can actually. No, it's not a perfect answer, but you still get a full mark. It's not a perfect answer, but you still get the marks. Get it? Okay, please continue and tell me balance CD. How much the balance CD? Okay, there's only two students answered. Others all, hello. Where's your answer? Okay. Whenever you calculate the balance CD, okay, you need to include the balance BD also. Some of you didn't include. Some of you didn't include the balance BD. You need to include the balance BD also. Whenever you total up. Whenever you total up, you need to include the balance CD also, balance BD also. So drawings, 12,000, 16,000. Interest on drawing, 960, 1280. Interest on capital, 64, 6,000, 4,000. Salary is 15,000 for Ella only. Share profit, I calculated here, 7920, 7920. That's it. Okay, now we balance up, leave one line, draw a straight line, draw a straight line. I feel for Mark debit is bigger. 1,800, 1,800 plus 12,000 plus 960. I get 14,760. 14,760 minus 6,000 minus 7,920. I get 840. That's my balance CD. This balance CD will become balance BD on the following year, following day. 2018, September 1. Understand not? Next one. Ella, I think credit is bigger. Ella, I think credit is bigger. So I total up the credit, 2,000, 4,000, 15,720. I get 28,920, 28,920 minus 16,000 minus 1,280. I get 11,640. 11,640 will be my balance. Will be my balance CD. This balance CD will become balance BD. September 1. Any question? Please ask me. Can I continue? Okay, next one. The theory question. Suggest two advantages of maintaining both capital and current account for each partner. The question asking why for the same guy, for one partner, why we need to have a two account. One is the capital account, one is the current account. Why we must have open two account? See, that's the question. So I'm going to give you example here. For Sumit, we open one capital account, one current account. The main reason is we want to keep it the capital separately. We want to keep it the capital separately from any other account. The reason why we want to keep it the capital separately from other account, so we will know how much the guy invested. And what are you going to do with that? I'm going to calculate interest on capital. You remember or not? We calculate the interest on capital from this interest on capital. From where? From the capital. If you take the capital account, current account combined together, if you take the capital account, current account combined together, after a few years, you wouldn't know how much the guy invested. If you don't know how much the guy invested, do you think it's easy to calculate the interest on capital or not? No. If you keep it like this, all the capital invested in one account, other than capital invested in a different account, then we know how much the guy invested capital. So we can easily calculate the interest on capital. This is the main reason. This is the main reason why we keep the capital account and current account separately, even though both of these for the same person, for the same partner. Okay, but we will do two different accounts. Keep it separate. So first reason, easier to see amount invested by each partner. Another one is easier to calculate interest on capital. Easier to calculate interest on capital. These are the two main reasons why we keep these two. Okay, the advantages or the reason also kind of same thing. Okay, if you have no issue, any question, please ask me. No question, this is your homework. But we here got two problems. In this question got two problems. I will solve the two problems for you. This one is it. Okay, done. Okay. It is your homework. Here got two problem, two things. I will solve the two things for you. Then you will do as a homework lah. Okay, first one we'll see. Later you read the question. Later you read the question. I just highlight for you the important things. Interest on capital, 4%. On the 1st October 2018, the Paul's capital is 50,000. Paul's capital is 50,000. Okay. On the 1st April 2018, Paul introduced motor vehicle 14,500. This is the additional capital. He also deposited an amount into the business bank account so that his total capital will become 80,000. So how much the amount that the guy deposited? At first, his capital is 50,000, and then he brought in 14,500 motor vehicle. And then how much the guy top up, so his capital will become 80,000. Simple mathematics. How much? Hello, read the question. Listen to me. Don't, you people know, not focus. At first, 50,000. 30,000 is wrong. 30,000 is wrong. Focus, focus, focus. At first, it's 50,000. After that, he introduced 14,500 already. So now his capital how much? At first, 50,000. He gave 14,500. So now his capital is 64,500. Now you want to make it 80,000. So you need to top up another 15,500. Understand or not? Good. Okay. So next question. Prepare the journal entry for the following. First one, the introduction, the additional capital on the 1st April 2018. On the 1st April 2018, the guy brought in motor vehicle. The guy brought in money in the bank. Two things. He brought in two things in the 1st April 2018. So I'm going to do the journal for that. On the 2018, April 1, he brought in motor vehicle. So debit the motor vehicle, 14,500, and then credit the money in the bank, 15,500. So the total money the guy brought in on the 1st April, the motor vehicle and also money is 30,000, is Paul capital. The question say narrative are not required, so you don't need to care about narrative. Can I? Okay, next one. The transfer of the 5,000 from Anne's capital account to her current account. Okay. Transfer from capital to current. So your capital is from capital. So capital increase or capital decrease? From capital, capital decrease. Capital decrease means debit or credit. Adam wants eat large chicken. Capital reduce means debit. And current increase. Just now I say what? Current and capital same thing. Current account increase means because it's from capital goes to the current. Current increase means current will be credit. So that's your entry. That's your entry. Okay. So now 2018. September 30. Debit and capital 5,000. They transfer 5,000. Why they transfer, how they transfer, all this I don't know. They transfer, I record, that's it. Okay, why they transfer, all I no need to know that all. They say they transfer, then I record the transfer, that's it. Life is very easy. Okay, debit the capital account and credit the answer current account. Understand not? No narrative, so no need to record the narrative. Okay, that's it for this answer. Can you screenshot this? I want to go up faster. Okay, so since you have an additional capital, you see, since 1st October 2017 until the last day 30th September is 1 year. So this 50,000 with us for 1 year. This 50,000 with us for 1 year. But this 14,500 and 15,000, these two are 30,000. This 30,000 with us for how many months? April, May, June, July, August, September, only for 6 months, only for 6 months. So this 50,000 capital for 1 year, this additional capital only for 6 months. So we need to calculate the interest according to the how many months the capital with us. We need to calculate the interest on capital according to how many months the capital with us. You understand? Huh? So now I'm going to calculate the interest on capital. Interest on capital for Paul. 50,000 times with how many percentage? 4%. For full year. Full year means don't need to calculate any months. Plus with 14,500 plus 15,500, I get 30,000. 30,000 times 4%, but this particular capital only with me only for 6 months. So I'll get a capital for Paul. Capital for Paul. And for N, interest on capital for N, I just calculate. N's capital is 85,000 times with 4%. How much you get? That's your interest on capital. That's your interest on capital. Okay, so later you calculate how much is interest on capital. And another problem in this question, this one similar to the homework last week homework, the last class homework. Okay, another problem is annual salary. Annual salary 7,000. At first salary was 1 year salary 7,000, but then the partners agree Paul's salary increased by 1,000 start from 1st April. So can you calculate the Paul's salary? How much the Paul's salary? At first 7,000. 7,000 for how long? First day is 1st October until 1st April. October, November, December, January, February. March last 6 months only. So times 6/12 plus with increase 1,000, right? Salary become 8,000. 8,000 for how long? Another 6 months actually. So you solve this, you'll get how much is your salary for that particular year for Paul. So you can screenshot this or you can copy this and do the appropriation account. You need to do appropriation account and current account yourself as a homework. Okay, can you do that? Any question? Please ask me.